My name is Wei Ziyi. I'm from the team 36. Today I will introduce our games. It's named the Chicken Fantasy. I use the other platform to create these games. It's RPG Makers MV. Because I use these tools to create some games before, so it's easy for me to do the games by myself. And I think these tools, when you create games, you use these tools. You can run some games in Windows, OS X, Android, iOS. So it's easy to develop and share your games, share your ideas. So let's have a look. There's my project. It's named Chicken Fantasy. I created three maps here. Um, these maps belongs to these maps, and this is the mainland. And I put some events and some figures in the maps. This it's me. It's a figures I created, and this is three monsters, and this is NPC. As you can see, I put some events for each place, like some test, some choice, and some BGMs. The different choice will make the different stories. And I put some items here. So when you come here and click your button, you can find some items in there. Okay, let's have a look. It's in Chinese, but it's okay. The first one is start the games. We press here, and you can use a mouse or your keyboard to control. Um, okay. We found the 500x here, and it's got up here. But they have events, so this NPC will tell you he have some things want to tell you. And the story is going on. Okay, they have a choice. I pick this one. So if you pick this one, you will get a battle. You can use some magic, or defend yourself, or use some items. Alright, attack the monster. Okay. You win the battle and you got some items, equipments, experience. Now, when you win the battle, you chat with the NPC. The different text will show you. And now you can go out or get into this. I'm not doing any events in this map, but you can go and have a look. I can put some monsters or some NPC. Okay, let's back. And in there, you can see your status, items, skills, equipments, or civil games, and the games. And in the right, you can see your figures, the levels, and your HP, your mana. I set a tree here, and you can make a choice. I pick this one. Okay, the ring's over. Now that's all I did. Thanks for look.